Today we'll show you some beautiful villas in Wellen Park, Florida. It is a Neo Communities here in Wisteria at Wellen Parks.
And this is a brand new community, super exciting. So these are going to be new construction model homes, only 5 miles from Minnesota Beach. That's pretty cool. A 7-minute drive to the brand new downtown Wellen Park, which phase 2 is starting right now. That's going to double the size of it. We'll tell you more about that in a little bit. And just minutes from downtown historic Venice with all their shops and restaurants. So let's go.
Look at this beautiful archway here with the fake hurricane shutters. I love that.
Little opening up there too, like a window.
Yeah. And you have space here for a little sitting area.
Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah, it's really nice.
It extends around the corner too.
Yeah, with the villa, you have the garage here right away when you come in. It's a good sized garage.
And I like that they've got this little extra space where it kind of juts out there for, you know, storage, water heater, things like that.
Yeah.
Good sized garage too. Again, I mean, keep in mind as we go through this is a villa, right? So if you want something kind of like a home type feel, home type size, maybe a little bit smaller and less maintenance, this is like the perfect option. If you're looking to retire, I think this is something great to consider if you don't want a big house to take care of.
Yes, and the villas are, the maintenance is taken care of by the HOA community, so you don't have to worry about that either.
The entryway right away when you come in is awesome. I like this.
Yes.
Very open to begin with.
I like that they have the dining room here to the left as soon as you come in too. It's a little bit enclosed, but it also feels very open.
Lots of windows in here too. And if we didn't make it clear, this is part 2 of a video series we're doing for Wisteria. So if you're watching this and you want to see part 1 with the homes, go ahead and check out our channel to see those. And subscribe to see the newest community tours we'll be doing, because there's more coming. Lots more.
This is a good sized bedroom.
Yes, it is. Especially for not being the primary.
Yes.
Lots of space to play with yet, you know, at the foot of the bed here, the sides, they've got the nightstands and still some room to spare. I mean, you're not going to get this in every new construction home's secondary bedrooms, especially even in a villa.
Yes, and villas here start in the high 400,000s. Some of them, most of them that are quick move-ins right now have beautiful water views, or they'll have like a landscape view. So definitely something to consider as well.
Linen closet. And this is a smaller community too. We didn't mention that. We didn't mention that in the last video, but probably should. And there's very few home sites left available where you can kind of get your own touches on them at this point. A lot of them are kind of already in the building process. So if you're looking for something that's a little more quick move-in, they have options for you. But if you want something, you know, a little more custom from Neil, which is the builder here in this community, make sure you get a hold of us ASAP to get those touches.
Yes. So nice laundry closet.
And you can call or text us at 941-221-1897 or email. That will also be in the description below. HeidiMinch@gmail.com.
Air handler. This is very nice and airy as well, with all the whites and the wood kitchen cabinets. Feels very beachy.
Yeah, I like the wood look. That's really
especially
different.
with the black hardware.
It's interesting how, again, if you didn't see the previous video, this is a gas community as well. So that's nice. And I like the backsplash.
Yeah.
It almost looks like
stone.
Or like wicker, like interwoven.
Yeah.
It's interesting though how like the wood is kind of, they're finding new ways to bring it into some of these newer construction homes that make it look more modern and unique.
Good size pantry. Could bring all the shelving all the way up.
Pretty good sized living room.
Yes.
Again, keep in mind this is a villa, right? So And if you're not familiar with what a villa is, because like depends on the state you live in, like what they'll call a villa or a townhome or a duplex or whatever, it can change. In Florida, it's considered basically you're going to share a wall and it's a one-story home.
A wall or two sometimes, depending, but it's typically just one-story home, while the townhouses, you share a wall or two, but they're typically a two-story home.
And occasionally even three. Good size primary bedroom.
Yeah, really good size.
Fun wallpaper in here. And again, check out the previous video because throughout all these homes, they've had some really different types of wallpapers.
Yes.
Throughout the different rooms, not just, homes, but like
some really cool
got some
wallpaper.
Different touches. This one too has got wallpaper.
So, first closet.
And if you're wondering why there's Atlanta Braves stuff in there, it's because near downtown Wellen Park is Cool-A-Day Park, which is the Atlanta Braves spring training facility. And there's, outside of like when there's spring training there's all kinds of fun events there, bands playing there. There's like a tiki bar restaurant. Yeah. And a lot of times they'll have live music in there. They have like
sometimes
movie night.
Have, like food trucks too.
We'll do like movie night like right on the field. So yeah, different fun things. This is a fun layout. I like this.
Yeah, you still get the two vanities, but separated. And water closet.
Wallpaper in there as well.
And I like the walk-in shower that they did the half wall and then the glass insert. Really like that. Especially to keep all the water in.
Got your handle over in the front too, so you can turn the water on, let it heat up, and then step in. And as we walk to the back lanai, tell you a little bit more about Wellen Park. Right now, their downtown is in phase 1. But once phase 2 is completed, that will double the size of it. There's already some great restaurants, a little bit of shopping, ice cream shops.
We have a Costco coming to the area.
Yeah,
some schools.
That Costco might be open by the time you watch this video, actually.
It's almost ready.
A good size lanai back here.
Really good size, yeah. This is an extended lanai with the cage, which is, it's nice to have.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's exciting to have, like Haiti said, the brand new schools coming to the area. You're still only minutes from the beaches. And yeah, we'll tell you more as we get to the next villa. Should we do it?
Let's do it.
Next villa is called the Tidewater. Like the layout of this one as well. Some similarities you'll see in the entryway, and stay tuned after this model. We're going to take you to see the amenities so you can see everything that they have to offer here in Wisteria. Like the bench. Again,
this is a really nice area.
Yeah.
Like really shaded.
I could just chill here for a while. Just maybe take a nap, read a book. But also, you got your garage here like the last one. This one's locked though, but pretty much identical. Yeah,
2-car garage.
Coming on in.
Really cool blue door with the glass insert.
And take note of the flooring. It looks like really weathered.
Yeah, it looks old.
Like with some of the black spots.
Yeah.
The first time we came in, I was just like, is there like paint on the floor? So it takes a little second to get used to, yeah.
Yeah.
And it's a different, I don't know, the sheen to it is a little different.
But then, and they did, yeah, all the...
It almost matches.
It's pretty similar to the floor, yeah.
It's definitely a little bit of a lighter shade.
Yes.
Double French doors with the glass. It's a nice look.
And to the left, we have a bedroom. The first bedroom.
And we should also note that this is not the only community that Neil is building in. They're building in Everly, also in Evelina. And within each community, there's slightly, different sizes and touches and types of things they're trying to do with the home. So, if you like Neil, get a hold of our team and we could kind of direct you to different communities, maybe in Wellen Park or outside of Wellen Park that they are building in. 941-221-1897. Call or text at any time. Like this wallpaper.
That is a pretty cool wallpaper.
It's fun. Yeah, definitely. If you want to see fun wallpaper, check out part 1 of the series. I mean, they really got something different in every room.
I mean, this one's pretty cool too.
Yeah. I really, really, really like the color with the tile.
Yeah.
It's like chocolate.
It's, yeah.
or
You don't see that very often.
cappuccino. It's not quite mocha.
Nice. Air handler closet.
Take you back out here. We've got our laundry room. Nice to have that close to the bedroom there.
Yeah,
The
good
bathroom.
size too, because you know most villas will have a closet. This is a little bit bigger.
Yeah, it's an actual laundry room.
Yeah, and with the cabinets too.
Coming back out. Take you to the main living area.
Which
Right.
again, you can see all the way straight to the back, which some of the villas do have a water view. Some of them have landscaping views, which is also nice to see.
I like the layout of this a lot. It's pretty big and open, especially for a villa. Again, keep in mind this is a villa, so the island is kind of sneaky big. You could probably get 3 bar stools around this little corner here.
Yeah, smaller bar stools instead of the chairs. And look at this backsplash too. It's pretty cool. It's similar to the one in the bathroom, but it's a little bit different, the color.
Yeah, I like how there's different colors to the different bricks in there. And there's actually quite a bit of cabinet and counter space in here too.
Yeah. Good sized kitchen, and this pantry is a good size as well. You could bring the shelving all the way up.
And then, yeah, I like that there's, you know, the dedicated little wall that juts in there. So it gives you a little more room for the dining room table. So you got room to spare around it. And then a really big living room, really.
Yeah. Yeah, this is really good size.
And I really like how, again, they got the tray ceilings, different colored paint and molding. And how that kind of helps define the area. And just, I don't know, it makes it feel a little more sophisticated, I guess you could say.
And again, the primary bedroom at an angle.
And that, yeah, again, adds a lot to this corner here.
Yeah.
Gives you a lot of extra space. I mean, there's plenty of room between the bed and the dresser here. And it's not a small dresser.
No. And king size bed.
Not small
Big
nightstands.
nightstands.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a really good size bedroom.
Also note the molding on the ceiling there. Or on the corner, I should say, of the ceiling and the wall.
And closet. Then you have a walk-in closet to the right, to the left there.
Good size too. And I like the built-in shelving. As always, attic access is usually in the primary bedroom and then one more in the garage, which is the case here. This is no exception. Double vanities. I'm always a fan of the split.
Yeah.
You know, when they're side by side, or like the last one where kind of side by side, but sort of staggered. Your water closets here. Fun wallpaper, again, like the rest of the bathroom. And a unique layout with the shower, so it drops down a little bit there. So a little step down. Come around the corner, there's your shower.
Pretty cool tile in here too.
And then your turn on handle is there. And we still got a lanai here to show you, and then we'll take you to the amenities. Also with Wellen Park, you're not too far from Sarasota, about a 45-minute drive to get to downtown Sarasota, kind of a bigger city feel there. UTC has tons of shopping. And of course, famous Siesta Key Beach.
Really good size lanai again. Extended lanai, which that's always an option.
And also, I think one nice thing about Wellen Park is it positions you close to Northport for a little more shopping. Port Charlotte has a mall for a little bit more there, movie theaters, and Inglewood. If you like more that old Florida feel, their downtowns are fun. And they got beaches too.
Yes, and if you want bigger cities, Tampa, it's about an hour. Fort Myers, also about an hour. Orlando, it's 2.5 hours away, so
Yeah.
not too far.
Yeah, if you want to get your theme park fix. Should we see those amenities?
Let's do it.
Worth noting, I think we don't show this on the channel enough, maybe we should. So like here you can see they're kind of doing some construction, right? So like sometimes you'll see that like, oh, I don't know how this is gonna look. But this gives you a better idea of what it's gonna look like when it's done over here. You know, show you some of the landscaping, the plants, everything really nicely manicured. And here's the amenity center here, Club Wisteria.
And this in the middle here, it's a roundabout, so you can either go, you know, there's 4 ways you could go, either towards the exit, which is straight up ahead, and then housing to both sides, and then the amenity center, which is right in front of us. And they do have pickleball courts, a pool, a clubhouse.
Pickleball is important, especially in Florida. It's like all the rage.
Yes.
And I gotta admit, I've only played it once or twice, but it is fun. I should probably play more. It's like tennis for people that aren't good at tennis. At least I'm not good at tennis, and pickleball I can kind of handle.
And they do have the shaded spots as well for waiting.
I think that's a
seeing.
awesome touch.
Yes.
They don't always include that, you know, in newer communities, so it's for them to have that is a nice touch. It makes it feel more like you could come hang out here for like an afternoon or the morning or whatever, and you know, wait your turn for the game and socialize.
Yes.
And they got all the rules there.
You have the pool right next to it.
And this is a really nice pool.
Yeah. I love that they have the shaded areas, and then to the left here they have like little cabanas and the palm trees like right next to the pool.
Pergola there too.
Very cool.
And I think another nice touch, well, they got a life raft for you there. Zoom in on that, or what do they call those, a lifesaver? Like the candy? And then over here they got you covered with a washing station and garbage cans. Lots of room to the sides of the pool too. Again, a great spot to come socialize. And then here in the clubhouse, this is awesome.
Yeah.
Big shaded area.
And
it's nice that this is all just screened in, so it's kind of breezy in here.
yeah, and you feel like you're outside too, like on Alanai.
Mm-hmm. It's definitely different. I don't think we've seen that setup in any other community in Wellen Park, where it's just screened in on one wall. Actually, all the walls.
Both walls.
Both sides anyway. Front
And the
back.
bathrooms are in here.
Women. Water fountains, but we're from Wisconsin, so we call them bubblers. I think we're the only state that does that. Although we are pretty much Floridians at this point. We've been here 6.5 years or so.
And then the mail room, it's to the left here, to the right here. I don't know my...
Yeah, depending on which way you're coming in, I guess.
So if you have big packages, they got you set up with big mailboxes.
And I don't know if we mentioned it before, but if we didn't, it is going to be like a little bit of a smaller community, and all of the, they described it as a little more cozy.
Yes.
Which I think is, you know, nice. It just depends, I guess, on what you're looking for. Some people want the really big community, and some people don't. And again, you tell us what you want, and we'll help you find it.
Yes, make sure to call, text, or email our real estate team, 941-221-1897. We'd love to help you out.
And if you want to know more about what it's like to live in Wellen Park, check out this video right here. More about Venice, check out this video right here. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications to see his newest home tours, and live breezy.